This is Natasha. I am a crochet tutor and designer at My Creative Butterfly. I design crochet patterns from beginner till advanced level crocheters. I teach crochet through my courses, classes, and patterns not just as a hobby but also as a tool that will help you become more mindful in your day-to-day life. In today's tutorial, we'll see how to crochet these bright berries. These are perfect for fall, Halloween or autumn decoration. This can be used as fillers in any of the bouquets that you have crocheted, or you can also make these into independent bouquets. Just make these berries in different colors and then you can combine them all to create a nice bright colorful bouquet for yourself. These also make perfect table decorations for your Halloween or fall party. It is a beginner level project. If you are an absolute beginner, then also you can give it a try. But if you have some experience crocheting, if you know the basics of crochet like the chain stitch, the magic ring, the double crochet and such, you can easily crochet. It is a very quick project and it would make a perfect last minute housewarming gift for someone special. So this tutorial is going to be worked in two parts. In the first part, we are going to see the crocheting of the berry, and in the second and the final part, we are going to see the finishing of each of these berries and then combining them together to create this full branch. So before we begin with the actual tutorial, let me show you the tools and materials that you'll need to crochet this berry branch for yourself. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you like what you learned today, don't forget to like and subscribe. So the first thing that you're going to need is the yarn. I'm using a worsted weight, that is a medium weight size 4 yarn. This is 100% acrylic. If you want, you can also use 100% cotton yarn. With this, you'll need a 4 mm crochet hook, sharp pair of scissors for cutting off the yarn, brown floral tape. If you don't have access to brown floral tape, you can use any color that you have, or you can also wrap the wire using any colored yarn that you might have. You'll need pliers for handling the wire and wire cutters. Then I'm using two different thicknesses of wire. This is a very small piece, a 3-inch piece of wire. This is a 0.6 mm wire, that is a gauge 22 or 24. It is a thin wire. This will be used for making the stems of the berries, the individual stem of the berries. And for the main stem, I am using a 18 gauge or a 1 mm wire. So these two wires will all be the wires that will be required for making the stems. This will be the main stem and this is the stem for the individual berries. So for my stem, I have used 7 berries. So you'll need 7 3-inch pieces of this wire to create the stems of all the individual berries. So this is all the tools and materials that are required to create this berry branch. So let us start with the actual tutorial. So to begin with the berry, you are going to start with a magic ring. So for doing a magic ring, wrap the yarn twice around your index finger. Insert the hook under both the loops. Gently remove the loops from your finger and place a slip stitch in the ring to secure it. Now we are going to begin with chain 2. We are going to do double crochet stitches, but we will be doing the double crochet stitches only halfway because we will be doing 6 double crochet stitches together. So let us see how to do that. Do a yarn over, insert the hook in the magic ring, grab the yarn, pull one loop. Now you have 3 loops on the hook. Do a yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Now we are not going to finish off the double crochet stitch. We'll leave these 2 loops on the hook as it is. Again, repeat the same thing. Do a yarn over again, go in the magic ring, grab the yarn, pull one more loop, grab the yarn again and pull through 2 loops. Now you have 3 loops on the hook. Repeat this again. So this is your third half done double crochet. Do it one more time. Now I have 4 half done double crochets. Do this one last time. Do a yarn over, go in the magic ring, grab the yarn, pull a loop, do a yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Now you have 5 half done double crochet stitches and the first chain 2, that is counted as the first stitch. So we have 6 stitches on the hook here. Now do a yarn over and pull through all 6 stitches in one go. Now to secure this, I'm going to do a chain 1. So this finishes the first half of the berry.
If you're enjoying this tutorial, be sure to check out my Etsy shop where I have crochet patterns from beginner till advanced levels. All the patterns include clear step-by-step pictures which make them extremely easy to follow.
Now we are going to close the magic ring by pulling this starting tail tight. I'm not going to close it all the way. There is a slight gap here. I'll show you very quickly for what we did that. Now for the second half, do chain 2 again. Do a yarn over. Now we are going to go in this chain 1 at the top of the cluster here. Go in this. We are going to repeat the exact same thing that we did for the first half. You are going to do 5 half done double crochet stitches. This is the second one. Yarn over and then pull through 2 loops. Do this till you have 5 half done double crochet stitches. Now do a yarn over and pull through all the loops together. I'm not going to do a chain stitch here. I'm just going to extend the loop a little, remove the hook. Now you are going to insert the hook in the magic ring. That was the reason why we had left magic ring slightly loose. Now grab the loop again that you just remove the hook from. I'm just going to pull the yarn lightly. Now pass this loop through the magic ring and now do the chain stitch to secure it. Now pull the starting tail tightly to close the magic ring all the way, and I'm going to cut the yarn leaving a small tail and secure the end.
Also, don't forget to connect with me on Instagram, Facebook and Pinterest. I go on all these platforms by the name My Creative Butterfly. I would love to get to know you and see what you are making.
Shape the berry a little with your fingers. So here the berry is ready for assembly. Now for finishing it, I'm just going to tie these 2 ends. Tie 2 or 3 square knots in it and then just cut off the yarn leaving a small 1 centimeter tail. That's it. No more finishing is required. So like this, just make 6 more berries. You should have a total of 7 berries. Then we are going to combine all of them together to create this branch. So that we are going to do in the second part. If you are fond of crocheting flowers, then I have done a lot of different flower tutorials in the past. The flowers include a few flowers that you can use for fall, and there are other different flowers for spring and other seasons as well. So you can crochet different flowers using different tutorials and then mix and match and combine them to create your own customized bouquet. You can find a link to the entire playlist for the crochet flowers in the description below. I've done flowers like rose, lavender, hydrangea, some flower branches and a number of different such flowers. So if you are interested in crocheting flowers, don't forget to check that out. So this is all from my side today for this tutorial. If you liked what you learned today, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Also, don't forget to hit that notification button so that you do not miss out on any of the new tutorials that I put out. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask in the comments. So thank you so much for watching and happy crochet. Bye-bye.